According to a fresh report from Fast Company, Intel's struggling to supply the demo 5G modems. Apple needs to make a 5G-ready iPhone for a pre-agreed summer 2019 deadline. If true, this'll be a big blow for Apple fans that want to take advantage of the next-generation networking tech, as it would stop Apple hitting its 2020 5G iPhone target release date. Regardless of if Intel and Apple hits its targets, this means the fabled iPhone 11 won't be 5G ready. Intel told Trusted Reviews it still plans to have its 5G modem launch in 2020, but failed to specifically refer to its order with Apple. As we said in November 2018, Intel plans to support customer device launches in 2020 with its XMM 8160 5G multi-mode modem. If the report is accurate, it will put Apple firmly behind its Android rivals. Numerous phone makers have already announced, or confirmed, plans to release a 5G phone this year. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S10 5G alongside its regular Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus and Galaxy S10e smartphones at its Unpacked event in February. Huawei unveiled its folding 5G-enabled Mate X smartphone mere days later at MWC 2019. OnePlus demoed a mysterious 5G pre-production unit at MWC that is believed to be an early version of its fabled OnePlus 7. Most 5G phones are expected to use Qualcomm, not Intel's, 5G modems. 5G is a next-gen networking technology that will sit alongside 4G networks. It will reportedly offer users gigabit-per-second data speeds that let you download entire TV series in minutes and stream demanding AAA games over the network. The technology is scheduled to launch in select areas, including London, in the UK by the end of the year. Verizon launched a trial version of its 5G network in the US on Wednesday. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.